Imagine you're on a deserted road, miles from help, or maybe you just want peace of mind knowing you're prepared for anything on the road. Well, today, I'm going to show you 8 gadgets that could literally save your life in situations like these. These aren't just cool add-ons for your car. These are lifesavers, and every car owner should have them. Trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to want to add at least one of these gadgets to your own car kit. Stick around, because some of these items might surprise you. First up, let's talk about the NOCO Boost Plus GB40, a 1000 amp battery jump starter. Now, if you've ever been stuck with a dead battery in a deserted area or late at night, you'll know just how essential this tool can be. The incredible thing about the GB40 is that it's compact yet powerful, offering up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. With 1000 amps, it can handle up to 6-liter gasoline engines or 3-liter diesel engines, which means it's compatible with most cars, trucks, and SUVs. Not only does it jumpstart your vehicle without needing another car, but it's designed with safety features. For instance, it has spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection. This means if you accidentally connect it incorrectly, it won't cause any sparks or damage your vehicle. Plus, it doubles as a power bank with a USB port to charge your phone or other devices in a pinch. Imagine being stranded with a dead phone. This device can be a true lifesaver in multiple ways. And it's all packed in a compact, durable design that's easy to store and carry. For emergencies, this is a must-have in your glove compartment or trunk. Next, we have the AstroAI Portable Air Compressor, a powerful little device for maintaining your tire pressure on the go. Now, underinflated tires are not only dangerous, they can lead to blowouts, reduced handling, and even reduced fuel efficiency. With this air compressor, you can avoid all that. It's compact, so it fits easily in your trunk, and it inflates a standard car tire from 0 to 35 psi in just under 5 minutes. This model is designed with an auto shut-off feature, meaning you can set the desired psi, and it will turn off once it reaches that level. No more guessing or risking overinflating your tires. It also has a bright LED light, so if you're stranded at night, you can see what you're doing. And if you're worried about power, it plugs right into your car's cigarette lighter or a standard 12 volts outlet, making it super convenient. Keeping this in your car ensures you're never caught with dangerously low tire pressure. Another great feature is the built-in LED light. This might seem like a small addition, but it's incredibly practical. Imagine needing to inflate a tire at night on the side of a dark road. This light means you can see what you're doing without juggling a flashlight. It illuminates your workspace and keeps your hands free, which is essential for staying safe and getting the job done quickly. Moving on to something small but incredibly useful, Safe View blind spot mirrors. These might not look like much, but they can make a world of difference, especially on highways or when changing lanes in busy traffic. Blind spots are one of the leading causes of accidents, and these mirrors help you see areas that your regular side mirrors might miss. These convex mirrors are easy to install. They stick right onto your existing side mirrors. Once they're on, you'll notice that they give you a much wider field of view, significantly reducing your blind spots. Imagine merging onto the highway or changing lanes in heavy traffic. With these, you'll have a clearer sense of your surroundings, which can reduce the chances of an accident. For a small price, these mirrors provide an extra layer of safety that every driver can benefit from. Next up is the Boulder Tools Compact Tire Repair Kit. Imagine this scenario. You're on a road trip, in the middle of nowhere, and you suddenly hear that dreaded hissing sound. You've got a puncture, and calling a tow truck could mean a long wait, or a big bill. With this repair kit, you can fix small punctures yourself and get back on the road. This kit comes with everything you need to repair a flat tire. Tire plugs, a T-handle insert tool, a reamer tool, lubricant, and other accessories, all packed in a durable Molle storage pouch. If you are enjoying this content, please subscribe to this channel. And let's get back in. Even with jump starters, it's always good to have a reliable pair of jumper cables, like these ones from Energizer. These Energizer jumper cables are built to last and come with a 16-foot length, which is a big advantage. With shorter cables, you often need the other car to be right next to yours, which isn't always possible, especially if you're stuck in a tight spot or parked awkwardly. But with these long, 16-foot cables, you have the flexibility to reach another vehicle more easily, even if it's not parked directly in front of you. The Energizer cables are made with 6-gauge copper-coated aluminum wires, which is a perfect balance of strength and flexibility. This gauge is thick enough to provide a strong, reliable connection, allowing a quick transfer of power without overheating. Plus, the heavy-duty clamps have a firm grip, ensuring they stay securely attached to the battery terminals during the jump. Number 3 on our list is a game-changer for anyone who wants to keep their tires in top shape and avoid emergencies on the road: the Tymate RV Tire Pressure Monitoring System. Now, we all know how important tire pressure is. Underinflated or overinflated tires can lead to a dangerous blowout, which is one of the last things you want to deal with while driving, especially at high speeds. This little device helps you avoid that risk by giving you real-time updates on your tire pressure and temperature. The Tymate TPMS comes with small sensors that you attach to each of your tire valves. Once they're on, they wirelessly transmit data to the monitor that you can place on your dashboard. It's super easy to set up, and within minutes, you're receiving real-time feedback on each tire's pressure and temperature. If any tire goes above or below the safe pressure range, the system will immediately alert you with a visual and audio warning. Now, this feature is invaluable because it means you're aware of any potential issues long before they turn into bigger problems. For instance, if you have a slow leak, the Tymate system will catch it early, allowing you to address it before it becomes a full-on flat tire. Now let's dive into one of the most powerful safety gadgets you can have in your car: the Anyski M5 3-channel Wi-Fi dash cam. This dash cam stands out because it's not just one camera, it's a 3-channel dash cam, which means it covers the front, rear, and inside cabin of your car. Whether you're driving in busy city traffic or on a long road trip, this dash cam is like having an extra set of eyes that record everything around you, giving you complete, 360-degree protection. The front camera captures everything happening on the road ahead, which is critical in the event of an accident or collision. It records wide-angle footage in high definition, so you can clearly see license plates, street signs, and any relevant details. The rear camera, meanwhile, captures everything going on behind your vehicle. This is really helpful in case of a rear-end accident, which, believe it or not, is one of the most common types of accidents. And then there's the inside cabin camera, perfect for anyone who wants to monitor what's happening inside the car. And finally, we're at number 1 on our list: the emergency flashlight with a built-in window breaker and seatbelt cutter. This may seem like a simple tool, but it's actually a lifesaver, especially in critical situations where every second counts. Let's break down why this multifunctional gadget is essential for every car owner. The flashlight is equipped with a high-powered LED light, which is incredibly helpful if you ever find yourself on the side of the road at night. Whether you're changing a tire, checking under the hood, or simply trying to signal for help, this flashlight gives you reliable, bright light to keep you safe and visible. Some models also come with multiple modes, including a strobe and SOS function, which are great for alerting others in an emergency. Now, the real life-saving features: the seatbelt cutter and window breaker. In the rare event of a car accident where your seatbelt gets jammed, this cutter allows you to quickly free yourself. Imagine being trapped after an impact, and the seatbelt won't release. This tool lets you break free quickly and easily, potentially saving you precious time. So, there you have it: 8 life-saving car gadgets that every car owner should consider adding to their vehicle. From the NOCO jump starter to the emergency flashlight, each of these tools serves a specific purpose, designed to help you avoid or manage difficult situations on the road. The reality is that we never know when we might face a roadside emergency, but having these tools means you're prepared to handle almost anything that comes your way. Think about it: a portable air compressor that can keep your tires at the right pressure to avoid blowouts, a tire pressure monitoring system to catch any issues early, a dash cam that records every drive, and jumper cables and a jump starter that can get you back on the road in minutes. Each of these items doesn't just protect your vehicle, it protects you and anyone else in the car with you. And then there's the emergency flashlight with a window breaker and seatbelt cutter, a tool you hope you never need but could be absolutely life-saving if you do. Having a well-prepared emergency kit isn't just about convenience. It's about safety, peace of mind, and being ready for anything. Roadside emergencies happen when we least expect them, but they don't have to turn into disasters. These gadgets are affordable, compact, and designed to fit right into your glove box, trunk, or door compartment. No reason to skip on this small investment in your own safety.